Hi, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Let me introduce myself today. My name is Sanjeev Kumar. I am currently working in Indigo Airline as a officer ramp, and I have completed my aeronautical engineering from Hindustan Academy, Bangalore. So, guys, today I am here to come up with a topic called aviation institutes. So, I am gonna talk few facts about the aviation institutes, and it's up to you what you decided, but it's totally my opinion. Okay, guys. So today I'm here to discuss three topic which I have selected, and I think it is necessary to speak. So the first topic is it useful? So if you are planning to join any aviation institute by paying lakhs and lakhs rupees, it's not like you're paying 10,000, 20,000. They are charging 1.5 to 2 lakhs for 6 months or 8 months. So my first question is it useful? If you ask me, I will not totally deny it that it is not useful, but again, it doesn't work out in the future. So whatever you are paying for getting a job, and you are, yes, of course you are getting training, you are learning something. I will not say that you are not learning anything, but again, is that learning considered while giving the interview? Have a think on that. Like whenever you go for an interview, if you say that you have completed your so and so diploma course from so and so institute, will they consider it? So if you ask me the fact, no, nobody consider that, because when you join any, like if you are selected for any airline or any ground handling company, they themselves give training and they believe in that, not the one what you have learnt. So again, yes, you have learned something over there by paying money of 1.5 to 2 lakhs, but it is not going to help you out, because once you join the airline or ground handling, they will conduct 30 days training and they will teach you each and everything. So this was my first question. My second question is, while sorry before joining whatever the aviation institute says, is it true? So I'll come up with few examples what they say and what they do. So let's see. Like when you go for inquiry, they say that yes, you can join, you will get job, we will help you getting you the job, and the starting package what you get will be 30 to 35,000. But again here the question mark is it true? So if you ask me, totally I will deny it. I will say no, it is not at all true. Yes, they help you out in interviews. So in what way they help you out is, they will only give you the information that there is an interview on so and so date on so and so location. Apart from that, they do not help you out in anything. And the second part is salary. So if you are a fresher, they say at the time of joining the institute that in the beginning only you will get 30 to 35,000 salary package. But to be frank, in India, nowhere, not at all. Like you take any airline, SpiceJet, Indigo, Go Air, Vistara, whichever airline you take, they will not pay you more than 18,000. So as a fresher, you will not get more than 18,000, but the institutes says that you will get 30 to 35,000. Again, that is for attracting the students. That's it. So just think before you join it. And my third question was, does those certificates has value? So in my first point only I added, no airline consider that. So again you are, that certificate is only for adding up in resume, but that will not help you out in any way. You can just mention that particular aviation course you have completed in so and so academy, but once you go for interview, they will not at all consider that, because they don't mind what you have learned there. They only see is what's your personality, how you perform it, how you are giving the interview, and based on that only they select it, not based they don't even keep in mind that you have completed hospitality or aviation course in so and so institute. So guys, please think before you join. If you are planning to join any aviation industry, I don't say you sorry, I said wrong, not aviation industry, aviation academy. So if you are planning to join any aviation academy, it's up to you. But before joining, you just think it, and you just think twice or thrice that you are paying lakhs, but what you are getting back. For that, if you just like, you might think that I am not good enough to crack an interview. No worries. In YouTube, how many YouTubers are there who are giving you sorry, tips to attend the interviews? If not, try to attend interviews in some other industries. You don't join the company, but try to attend the interviews. It will make you boost your confidence, and once you get your confidence, no matter whichever interview it is, like aviation or whichever other field it is, it will not be so difficult. So guys, my suggestion is like, before joining any aviation institute, have a think, just go through it, the facts. Because like, yes, I have not done any course from any of the institutes, but I have seen many who are working along with me, and they say that while joining they had promised that they will be getting a good package of 30-35,000, but they are not getting it. So that is the point what I wanted to share with you guys today. So that's it for today. And also I am planning to start a YouTube classes where I'll come up with main topics what they teach. So usually you want to learn something, I feel like if I want to teach somebody, I can teach it. So I need your support guys. Subscribe our channel and please comment if I should start a classes, like I should start posting a video with classes, main topics. And if you all guys suggest me, I'll definitely go ahead with that. So that's it for today. Bye bye. We'll meet up in the next video. Thank you.